Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial on your channel name. Today, we're tackling how to send Litecoin from Coinbase Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin for trading, staking, or just better portfolio management, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so let's handle it carefully. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a Coinbase Wallet account with some Litecoin in it, and a Binance account set up to receive the funds. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app versions for both platforms to avoid any hiccups in 2025's updated interfaces. Alright, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Litecoin you want to send. It's usually under your assets list, easy peasy. Step 2. Hit the Send button next to your Litecoin balance. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, head over to your Binance account, log in and go to your wallet section. Find your Litecoin deposit address. It might look something like a long string of letters and numbers. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Double-check it. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Then, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and review any network fees. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen. Take a deep breath and hit send. The transaction should process on the Litecoin network, which typically takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network traffic in 2025. After it's sent, hop back to Binance and check your wallet. You should see the Litecoin deposited soon. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security, and always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. There you have it. That's how you send Litecoin from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. It's a breeze once you know the ropes. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.